MP Dr. Bimol asserted that substantial investment in education and health sectors is essential for the state to progress. He was speaking at an outreach program on reviving traditional utong ngari production and pearl culture organized by Manipur International University at Tongak Lairambi, Langol today. Certificates were distributed to participants of skill development workshops held at various relief camps during the event. Addressing the gathering, MP Bimol stressed that developed nations have achieved progress through parallel advancements in education and health sectors. He added that if a society lacks these foundational principles, it will continue to face shortages and setbacks. Highlighting the current status of Manipur's education system, he lamented that none of the state's universities are ranked among the top in the country or the world. Although there has been some improvement with establishment of institutions focusing on higher education and technology, Bimol maintained that this is the only beginning and not yet a complete achievement. He called for the university system in the state to be maintained in a clean and accountable manner, warning that mass production of degrees without focusing on quality would only lead to further decline. He asserted that only full-fledged research and walking the right path will bring about real change and a developed society.
Higher education के field सिदा technology की Manipuri engineering करी का तो पैसे हुजी अकोई न ले लो फिल्म सी best की न ते इन्हें गुज़ा बता इन्हें inspection चर्चा बता but we are just beginning Manipur से कमाई साखत हंदा के higher मतलब दा education से like से पैसा था दा दया दे से पिछले भी न खंड रोमानी अदुन अकोई न सी नारी योनबा नारी चाबा सिदा इन हाइचन एक सी अकोई की cultural identity हम सोमो assert तो ही नहीं होगा कोई नारी चाबा मिनी Hawaii so universities na sige ngari gi nam is the health ki finance ki economy ki semiton ki kari wadu dana natana akhoi kana no hai na masak taksana na ba item ama sunibus aina khangjaba education aina appeal ki tang tawjaning babu quality control khar tawbiu degree da ka hai na pangki vision ba question ba madu hai ngadum crack down tawni PhD no wai chai koi phimum taw kada duna Manipur International University se aina haje se PS something na thabak smile contribution to view, quality control to view, genuine